Good morning, adorable ones. How's everybody doing today? I am doing awesome. Thank you so much for asking, and I hope everybody's doing okay at home. Be a good listener to mom and dad, doing your best as always, staying safe, exercise outside while you can, of course. This is very, very, very cold, so you need to stay inside. But when you have a beautiful day, sunny day, a warm day, go outside, play a little bit, okay? It's good for you. Just not too close to other people, okay? Stay with your parents. Okay, adorable ones, we are going to have a test today. A math test today, okay? And tests are important, and again, tests is important so me and Mrs. Hunter know what you're struggling with, so it can help you, okay? So before I show you the test, I need you to think about how do you spell your numbers, okay? So let's see, 10, how do you spell 10? 10. Yeah, T-E-N. Perfect. How do you spell 5? I have been spelling 5 a lot lately with the coins, so you know. 5. F. I. And V. E. Perfect. Think about your numbers, K5. I need you to think about it. You know how to spell them. Okay, I did a review with you, I think it was last week maybe, or a week before, with all the words to spell, all the numbers. So you know how to spell them. Okay, think about it, think about it, think about it. 1 doesn't start with the T. It does? What the T says? Sad. Yes. So 1 is not t, t. There is no t, t sound. So think about your numbers. Okay? Okay. Then we're gonna have between numbers, before numbers, and after numbers. K5, look at me. Look at me. First of all, I love you. And I miss you. Second, look at me. Every time, are you looking at me? Good. Every time, then you're doing before numbers, between numbers, and after numbers, we're just counting. Counting by ones. Just counting by ones. Okay? You need to think about your numbers. You know how to count. Let's say which number comes before 42. 42. Which number comes before? If it is 42, the before number, what's the number comes before 2? 1, so it's 41. 42. What comes before 40? Oh, after 42. So we count 41, 42. Yes, 43. We're just counting. So you need to think about your numbers. Counting. You're just counting by ones. Okay? You just need to focus and try your best. Good? Good. Next, we're going to have some additions. Every time you're adding 1, all you do is count 1 more. So if you have a hard time with the big numbers, with 1, it's just count 1 more. It's the next number. Let's say you have 8 plus 1 equals what? What's the next number after 8? 9. So every time you're adding 1, all you do is count 1 more. Perfect. How about 0? Every time you're adding 0, what do you get? The other number back, yes. So if you have 10 plus 0, 10. 3,000 plus 0. 3,000. 2 teachers plus 0 teachers. 2 teachers, yes. So think about your rules, okay? Then we have a clock. You're gonna tell me the time. Okay, 5. When the big pointer is pointing to 12, how many minutes has passed? 0 minutes. How do you say 0 minutes? O'clock, yes. So you just say o'clock at the end of the time. If it's 1, it's 1 o'clock, not o'clock, 1 o'clock. Okay? You got confused. Few of you got confused last time, the last test that you take with me. Then my big pointers keep moving and moving and moving. And then if my big pointer is on top of a 3, how many minutes has passed? Yeah, if you get confused, you just count by 5s, right? If the big pointer is top of 1, 5 minutes. If it's on top of 10, not 10, 2, 10 minutes. And if it's on top of the 3, 15 minutes, yes, there we go. So you know this. If the big pointer is pointed to 12, 0 minutes. If the big pointer is pointed to 3, 15 minutes. If the big pointer is pointed to 6, 30 minutes. Very good job. Very good. Then you're going to have some coins. You need to count them. If you're confused, just look at the back of the coin. Okay? The dime will say dime. How count dimes? Oh, how much is a dime worth, first of all? 10 cents. How do you count dimes? Dimes. By tens. If it's a nickel, the back of the nickel will say 5 cents. Very good. So you count nickels by 5s. A penny, yes, it's worth 1 cent. So you count pennies by 1s. Perfect.
And it's the only brown coin.
Exactly. It's the copper coin, kind of brownish color. So it's the only one that's different than the other ones. The color is different. And that is the big one. The last one that we learned. Some of you got confused last test. So the big one, the last one that we learned in class, is the quarter. And how much is the quarter worth? I heard 35 cents, I heard 55 cents, but the quarter is worth 25 cents. How much is the quarter worth? 25 cents. How much is the quarter worth? 25 cents. Very good. Okay, now I'm going to tell you what to do in the test. Okay, so I need you to grab your test. Remember, okay, 5, we do not use help for the test. Okay, we need to know what you know. Not your mom knows, not what your brother knows, not what your dad knows. What you know so it can help you. Good? Even when you're far away, you will not touch each other all the time. But we're here for you, and you can help you if you need help with. What do you need help with? Okay? Okay. So the test is page 123. 1, 2, 3. And I need you to write your name. Beautifully done. And the first thing that you're going to do is write the number. I just told you how to. Okay? Write the number. So that is the name of the number. And inside of each box, you're going to write the number that this word says. Okay? Number 2, write the missing numbers. We have mixed numbers here. Some you need to write the before number. Some you need to write the between number. Some you need to write the after number. But all of them you just count by 1s. Perfect. Then you have additions. Then you just look at the combinations and write the answer for me. Number 4, what time is it? Pay attention to your pointers. And number 5, circle 20 cents. 20 cents. Pay attention to the coin and circle 20 cents for me. Then you're gonna flip it over. And on the back side says, fun with the numbers, count and write how many. How many ducks? Write the amount here. How many birds? How many worms? How many frogs? How many raindrops? How many flowers? And write your answers inside of the little boxes. Then you're done with your test. Try your best. Pay attention. I love you, and I can't wait to see the result of this test.